Okay, go ahead.
You're going to cover the back, right?
No. It's kind of a sideboard type thing.
Okay, I like it.
Woo! I almost fell off the driveway.
Dominic is going to be parked. I guess that's about the...
What?
I was thinking about how big they probably were. Don't look at me while I'm talking to you.
Mouth full.
Yeah, open it up.
Are you going to put some sound effects in there?
I want to.
We got to
Get
get
the whole body.
Yeah, I'm trying to.